Hello, this is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little pocket. Here's the problem. My printer is broken, so I did this with a page that I already had printed out, and it worked out fine with cardstock. I don't have any more cardstock handy, so I'm going to use regular paper, double-sided. This is just copy paper, and let's see how this turns out. So line up your edges and fold. Take your time and line them up. If you happen to have a little left over, that's okay. We're going to trim it. Okay, now open your paper, and you're going to need to decide which side you want showing. And I'm going this way. Let me show you this so you can see the middle better. I'm going to ink it just a little. Okay, now you can see the middle. So just put the point to the middle. Okay, now we're going to cut that off. I'm going to ink that so I can see it in my trimmer. And we're going to save that little piece because we're going to use it to decorate the pocket. See how I did it here? This was blue dot, and now it's blue dot here. And it also makes another pocket. So hold on to that, and it would be a lot better if it was cardstock. And it would be better if it was 80-pound cardstock. I made this out of 110, and it was a little bit hard. It fought me. So now you're just going to pull in the corner this way. And I'm going to make my pocket a little bit wide because I have lots of stuff to stuff in it. This isn't even from the Symbolism Blue kit. All the elements are from the Symbolism Blue kit. And I do want to kind of look here. I like to make sure that this lines up. You can go in more than I did. Most people probably would, but I just wanted a wide pocket. And then you're going to use a tiny bit of glue right here. I'm going to use score tape. And I wished I had my thinner score tape because it would work even better. And I'm going to need a little bit more. I'll add a little glue there later. And there's your pocket. Now take this little piece you had left and lop off about 3/4 of an inch. No, more. Just eyeball it, you'll figure it out. It's just a little triangle. And instead of all 3 corners, I'm going to take off a tiny bit more. This is going to make a teeny pocket, which I have done here. So let me go over this with you. Look how much you can stuff in here. It's unbelievable. So I have, now if you were doing the Bible journal, the Bible symbolism class, all your cards would fit in here, all 9 cards, with some tags and things. So here's the tags. I've got lace, more lace. This is a little cluster of a lady in a little card. 2 journal cards here, some tickets, a doily. And so you can even put things in this tag, in this pocket, which you might not think about, and then this pocket. And of course it hangs over, which is adorable. So these are all from the Symbolism Blue Kit in my Etsy shop. Thanks for crafting along with me today. I hope this little pocket inspires you to try something new in your journal or folio. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe. You don't want to miss the next one. As soon as my printer is fixed, I'll be making more. Bye-bye. See you in the Facebook group.